Hello and welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are making one of our favorite foods from the county fair. We're making deep fried Oreos, but they're not fried. We're going to wrap these cookies in a crescent roll dough and then we're going to bake them. We're also going to air fry a few of them. The best thing about this recipe is we only need 2 ingredients. We need a package of refrigerated crescent roll dough and Oreos. We can also sprinkle them with chocolate chips if we want. To start, we're going to remove the dough from the packaging and separate each individual crescent roll into 8 individual triangles. And this is super simple. We're going to place a cookie on each triangle and we're going to wrap it up. And then we are baking these, so we're going to put a little bit of chocolate on top. You can use chocolate chips, but I'm using some chopped up Ghirardelli chocolate. So I have actually made the deep fried Oreo cookies before as well, where you dip them into a pancake-like batter and then deep fry them. And although those are pretty easy too, and I do have a video on Pinal Central that shows you how to do that, but I have to tell you, this was so much easier. And it wasn't nearly as messy either. We're going to place our wrapped cookies on a baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper. Then we're going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. And just for comparison, we're going to air fry a few of them as well. We're going to put them in the air fryer for about 8 minutes at 360 degrees. And here's our side-by-side comparison. You can hardly tell the difference between the baked one and the air fried one, except that we put some chocolate on top of our baked one. And for something that's so quick and easy to make, you will not believe how delicious these are. We sprinkled ours with a little bit of confectioner's sugar, and they taste just like the deep fried version. So delicious. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For more articles, video, and recipes, go online to pinalcentral.com.